Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we'll guide you through the manual setup process for your TriFiBoost Wi-Fi extender. Learn how to connect to the extender, access the setup page, and configure it to extend your home's Wi-Fi network. Follow these quick steps to connect, configure, and extend your home's Wi-Fi for better coverage. Boost your internet signal in just a few minutes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if this video helps. Firstly, we start with the unboxing, giving you the cleanest review of the product that what comes in the packet. Inside the TriFiBoost Wi-Fi extender box, you'll find the Wi-Fi extender unit itself, along with a user manual that provides setup instructions. Some packages may also include a quick start guide and a warranty card. The box is typically compact and designed to keep the extender protected during shipping, with everything you need to get started right away. So let's start the setup process. Plug the TriFiBoost Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. It's important to place the extender close to the router during the setup process to ensure a strong initial connection. The LED light on the extender will blink for a while, indicating that it is powering up. Wait until the light becomes stable or ready for the setup process. The indicator light usually turns solid or stops blinking to show that the device is ready. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, navigate to your device's Wi-Fi settings. Look for a Wi-Fi network name that matches the TriFiBoost extender, e.g., TriFiBoost_XXXX, where the XXXX are specific to your unit. The extender broadcasts a default network before configuration. Select this network to begin the setup process. Open a web browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, on your device. In the address bar, type 192.168.10.1. This is the default IP address for TriFiBoost extenders. You'll be prompted to enter login credentials. The default username and password are typically both admin, lowercase. Once entered, you'll be directed to the extender's setup interface. If this page doesn't load, double-check your connection to the TriFiBoost network. You might need to disable mobile data on your phone to ensure you are connected to the Wi-Fi network. Once logged in, the setup wizard should start automatically, guiding you through the configuration process. If not, find the setup wizard in the menu options. Select your Wi-Fi network. The extender will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. From the list, select your home's primary Wi-Fi network, the one you want to extend. Enter Wi-Fi password. You'll need to enter the password for your home Wi-Fi to allow the TriFiBoost extender to connect to your router. Once you've selected your Wi-Fi network and entered the password, save the settings. The extender will now attempt to connect to your router. Once the setup is complete and the extender is working, you can now unplug it and move it to a location midway between your router and the area where you need a stronger Wi-Fi signal. This process should give you a boosted Wi-Fi signal in areas of your home or office that were previously experiencing weak connectivity. By following these steps, you can easily do the TP-Link Re700X extender setup. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.